Hello, I'm Edmund from ITOP. Today I bring you one machine. It's a doner kebab shawarma grill machine. You see, this is normal is for the commercial purpose, and also if you like, you can use at your home because it's very small. Just put on your table and it will work. And let's bring you the control panel here. They have the switch for the motor, and if on, the motor will working. And here is the temperature control knob, and the temperature range is from 50 to 300 degrees Celsius. And this is the electric one, so you can see have two heating elements at two sides, and this power is 2.8 kilowatts, so it will be cook the food, grill the food very fast because two sides and can even it and include the motor here. And you see here have the container. This container can put some water because this machine sometimes will work long time, so this water can cool down and make sure the machine work well. And here the shape was run by the motor. Here the distance can adjust it up and down to match your chicken or the meat. And here also have the probe. Here is the sensor to check the temperature. So when the temperature is higher than you set, and the machine will turn off. And when the temperature is lower than the temperature you set, the heating element will be on and working. So you can see the yellow light when it's working and it will on, and when it's not working it will off. Yes. Yesterday I prepared the broiler, I mean the meat of the chicken. You see, here is the before. The color like this, and today is like this because I use some broiler and powder of the olive marina. And when the food is finished at last, a little spicy, just like you have it in McDonald's. So you see the color is a little red, but not too much. And later I will put some meat on it and let this machine running, and we will give this meat, and we will see what will happen after that. And at the last time, and we will see the food looks the same as you see in the restaurant outside.